testing chassis harness number 122. It's an E36. So we'll go through and we'll test all the battery power, battery constant. Good. Good. Again, we check extra circuits to make sure they are not powered up at this time. Let's see here. Good. Now we can key on. Got your ignition switch here. We'll key on. You hear the click of the relay. So now we check all the key on functions. This is for your electronic or your electronic power steering pump. You see this is nice and long off the disconnect by itself. It's labeled in your legend. Let's see what else we got here. Power. Just for the moment here, we can check your reverse, which is this yellow and blue wire. Reverse is good. Let's see what other key on we have. Here's your add a relay. Key on. Oh, my meter's off. So that is good. Here's your brake pedal. That is good. We can test real quick your brake lights. That all works. Sweet. And then here off this disconnect with it's labeled DD. You have the gray, which is from your brake pedal switch, and then you have the pink. So this is for your ABS, and then I think this is for the ABS power. Let me see here. Good. That all works. We'll test to make sure this is hooked up correctly. We can check this way. Sweet. Tricky to do without someone's extra help because the BMW ignition switch, once you go to the start position, you can't go back to the start. You have to turn the key off completely and then go back. And as you can see, my key is not what you would want to use. So we'll see if we can bump this out on camera. Let's see here. Oh, missed it. So now I gotta key off, key back on. See if I can do this without ruining the ignition switch here. Here you go, you hear the click. There it is. Awesome. Move right along. So next we can test the switched ground for activating both fuel pumps at the same time. The switch ground will come from your aftermarket ECU and you will connect that to our yellow and green wire. So we will activate ground while testing the fuel pumps. So this one is behind the driver side. We labeled it 00 for you. There we go, you hear the click. And we'll test the other one, which is over here. We put the terminals on. We saw the picture you submitted, and we have the opposite side, so we were able to pin it for you, and we'll provide the connector and the retaining clip, and then you just have to figure out on your side which is power and ground. Our ground is black, and our power is green, so we can show you that right here. There we go. Good to go. What's next? So we did reverse, we did third brake light. We can do your running lights off your OEM switch here. Activate. Boop. See all the lights illuminate. We test your flying lead and your inputs and outputs. Right here, that has power, and then as well in your digital dash, that has power. Sweet. Your headlights on. See, the headlights are illuminated. We'll check that for power. Oh, wrong one. Is it this one? There we go. Let's see. Turn that off so we can do your high beams. Again, you see your high beams activated. Then we will check your high beam input for the digital dash. Got that. Sweet. Check your blinkers. So that is your driver blinker. Test that. That's good. Passenger blinker. Test that. That is good. Now check your hazards. Just double check everything is working properly the way we built it. Sweet. Alright, so we will check your wiper. Just right here. Nope. It's right there. Right here. Good. And we'll test your other adder relays, which are labeled, which correspond with the switch panel. So we'll do BB. Sweet. Do CC. Sweet. All right, so that's pretty much it, man. You're all set, and we will ship it out.